Hello everyone! In this video, we will take a look at the pocketbook folding close-up mat by pattricksmagic. The one I have here is the Plush black on black crocodile back model. The dimensions when closed are approximately 10 cm by 18 cm and opens up to twice the width of 20 cm by 18 cm. For better visualization, it is enough to cover 2 rows of 3 poker-sized playing cards like so. There is a noticeable seam down the middle of the pad due to its construction, but it does not hinder the mat's functionality. This size is perfect for placing your cards down for a cut or for a chop cup routine. Custom sizes are also available on the website. That is all for this quick review of the pocketbook folding close-up mat by pattricksmagic. Leave a like below and thank you for watching.